Hello everyone, we are going to check out the exercise of chapter number 7, paper boards. Oral questions. Read these words aloud, swiftly, horrible, pounced, snatched, gurgling. First number. Have you made paper boards? What do you use? Newspaper or used papers? New papers or used papers? First answer. Yes, I have made paper boards. I use used papers. Second number. Which season is described in this story? Why do you think so? A rainy season is described in this story because Anna is launching paper boat. MCQs. Tick the correct answer in each. First number. Why did Anna shrink with delight? Answer is B. The boats sailed swiftly and proudly. Second number. Don't worry, I will make another one for you. Why did Aunt Avanti say this? Answer is C. The boy snatched the boat. Third number. Anna wore a blank frock. Answer is B. Purple. Fourth number. Why did Aunt Avanti want to make paper boats for the boy? Answer is C. Nobody had taught him to make paper boats. Now, read and answer. First number. Describe the boy in the story. First number. The boy was huge and dirty. He snatched Anna's boat. He snatched Anna's boat. Nobody had taught him to make paper boats. Second number. But this time something horrible happened. What was this horrible thing? Second number answer. A big boy pounced on her boat and pulled it out. Third number. Why did the boy do when? What did the boy do when Anna's boat got caught between mud and stones? Third number answer. In a flash, the boy dashed right through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. Fourth number. Why did the boy turn the boat upside down? Fourth number answer. He turned the boat upside down to drain off the water. Think and answer. First. Why do you think the boy did not notice Anna's anger stare? First number answer. He was so busy in inspecting the boat that he did not notice Anna's angry stare. Second number. If you had been in Anna's place, would you have given your not so good boats to the boy? Answer of second. I will give my so good boats to him. Third number. Which words describe Aunt Avanti the best? Proud, kind, loving, strict. Answer of third number. Kind and loving. Fourth number. Would you give your toys to children who don't have any toy? Why or why not? Answer of fourth. Yes, I will give my toys to children who don't have any toys because I like to give. A reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. Suppose he takes all of them. Suppose he takes all of them. A number, who said this and to whom? Answer of first, Anna said this to Aunt Avanti. B number, who is he? B number answer, he is a big or huge boy. C number, what is them? Answer of C number, them are the paper boats. D number, why does the speaker say this? Answer, D number answer, because Aunt Avanti said to Anna that she will make another boats for Anna. Now word quiz, identify the silent letter in the word awful. Answer is B, U. Answer is B, U. Here we have completed our exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. Thank you.